Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need the official update file in the right folder so the console recognizes it. First, format the USB to XFAT or FAT32 and place the PS4 or PS5 update. Pop into /PS4/update/ or /PS5/update/. Make sure the controller is charged and connected via USB. Power the console fully off, then hold the power button until you hear the second beep. This boots safe mode. Once done, you'll see the safe mode menu. Choose the option to update system software by USB. Now choose Update System Software and pick Update from USB storage device so the system reads the PUP file. Use a direct USB port on the console front. Hubs or rear ports on some models can be unreliable. Start the install and watch the progress. It can take several minutes to extract and apply. Don't unplug the drive or power off the console, because interrupted installs cause corrupted firmware. If you get an error, note the code and move to the rebuild or reinstall options in safe mode. After the update finishes, select Restart PS4 or PS5 and confirm it boots into the regular interface. That completes the fix. If the system still misbehaves, return to safe mode and try Rebuild Database first. This resolves many boot issues without data loss. If that fails, perform a full system software reinstall from USB. One key troubleshooting tip: make sure the file name and folder path are exact, and reformat the USB to XFAT or FAT32.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.